enchantment strange as the blue above. For the moonlit past that only he would know. So here's my broken song of love. Moon in all your splendor, now only to my heart. Call back my rose, rose of sand and tone. Lips so sweet and tender, that petals fall apart. Speak once again of my love, my old broken song, empty words I know. Still live in my heart all alone. For that moonlit pass by the Alamo and rose my rose of San Antonio. Well, the moon and I are splendor, now I'm lit to my heart. I'll back my rose, roses, San Antonio. Lips so sweet and tender, like petals from the bar. Speak once again of my love, my own broken song into words I know. Still live in my heart all along. Well, that moonlit passed by the Alamo and rose my rose of San Antonio.